we are just going to take the differentiation of algebraic basic functions. Now in today's class, we are just going to learn how we are just going to take the differentiation of some special functions like the trigonometric functions, exponential functions, logarithmic functions. So first of all, we are just going to talk about the differentiation of trigonometric functions. Yes, what is trigonometric function first? Anyone? Yes, everyone, what is the first trigonometric function? We have three main trigonometric functions.
Sine.
It is sine of x and y is equal
Cosine
to
time.
cos of x and y is equal to
Tan of x. Tan.
tan of x. Okay, if you're just going to be taking the derivative of sine, the derivative of sine is basically is equal to cos of x multiplied by the derivative of the angle that you have. If it is angle x, so you have to substitute x. If it is 2x plus 1, so you have to write 2x plus 1. If it is x squared, so you have to write x squared. The derivative of sine is cos multiplied by the derivative of, you have to take the d-derivative of the angle that is x here. If it is 2x, so you have to write 2x. If it is 3x, so you have to write 3f. It is x squared, so you have to write x squared. Yes, everyone, it is clear?
Yes, Mr. K.
Now, if I'm going to be talking about the derivative of cos, the derivative of cos is minus sine multiplied by the derivative of cos is sine and multiply by the derivative of their angle. Same thing, if the angle is x, so you have to write x. If it is 2x, it will be 2x. If it is 3x, you have to write 3x. And the derivative of tan is, that is secant square x multiplied by the derivative of their angle. These are, we have three main trigonometric functions for which we are just going to be taking the derivative. So remember that it will be for the sine it is cos, for cos it is minus sine, for tan it is secant, and multiply by the derivative of their angles. Yes, everyone. Any question till here? For example, if I'm just going to write into more appropriate form, for example, you have y is equal to sine, it is any f of x. So I just told you what is the derivative of sine?
Cosine. Cosine tan derivative of x.
Just cos f of x multiply by the derivative
Differentiation
of
of x. Of x.
f of x. Because here at the angle it is f of x, so derivative of f of x. Now, y is equal to cos f of x, then the derivative will be equal to the derivative of cos is minus sine multiplied by derivative of f of x. So I'm just going to say that we have y is equal to tan f of x. So the derivative of tan is, yes, the derivative of tan is
Second
equal to,
square x.
it will be
6 square times second square x multiplied by
secant
differentiation.
square of f of x multiplied by the derivative of f of x. These are the three main formulas for trigonometry. We will go back to the formulas, but let's see how to do some questions first. So here we have a question. He says that f dash of x for the functions where we have f of x is equal to sine x. So for the first part, if I'm just going to take the derivative of sine is
Cosine.
Cos
cos of x multiplied with derivative of
sine
x,
derivative
that is 1. That is 1. So that's why we will not write it, we just write directly cos of x because we know that the derivative of x is 1. For the second part, we are going to be taking the derivative of cos. The derivative of cos is
Negative sine.
negative sine multiplied by the
times
derivative
derivative
of
is
2x,
2x.
the
Which is
angle you
2.
have. So minus sine 2x, it will become 2. So the final answer will be minus 2x. The students are multiplying with the angle. This is the angle, this is outside value. So don't miss up. Minus 2 sine of 2x. The same way, we have the third part. Let's I write the third part first. We have f of x is equal to 3 4x 2x minus 3. Okay, let's take the derivative. It is a constant value, it is at the start. The derivative of sine is
Cos
cos
Cosine.
x plus
multiplied by
for x times derivative of
derivative of
cos
x minus the derivative of cos is
Negative sine, so it's positive.
negative sine 2x minus 3 multiplied by the derivative of angle. Yes, Rahaf Ahmed, is it clear for you as well?
Yes, mister.
Ahmed Muhammad?
Yes, clear.
All right. So the derivative of 4x is basically 4. So you will get 3 multiplied by 4 into cos 4x. Minus the minus is plus sine 2x minus 3. The derivative of 2x minus 3 will be, yes, the derivative of 2x minus 3 will be
2.
2 because the constant derivative is 0. So we will get the final answer 12 cos 4x plus 2 sine 2x minus 3. That would be our final answer. Yes, everyone. Any question till here? This
No.
is how you are just going to be take the derivative of the trigonometric functions. Right. Okay, for example, if you have a function, find the gradient of the tangent to the curve y is equal to sine into 2x plus pi over 6 at the point x is equal to pi over 8. We need to be find the gradient, so we need to be take the find a gradient function. So take the derivative, it will be dy by dx. The derivative of sine is cos. Multiply by the derivative of their angle, that is 2x plus pi over 6. So cos 2x plus pi over 6. So pi over 6 is a constant value, so the derivative of 2x is 2.
2.
So I'm just going to be get the final answer 2 cos 2x plus pi over 6. So this is the gradient function we will get. But we have to find the gradient at a specific point that x is equal to pi over 8. So at x is equal to pi divided by 8, I'm just going to be get the derivative 2 cos 2 into pi over 8 plus pi over 6. 2 cos 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Pi over 4 plus pi over 6, that will be equal to, is pi divided by 4 plus pi divided by 6, that will be equal to
5 over 12 by
5 pi over 12. Alright, just please find the value. Okay, it is in terms of pi, so your calculator must be in radian. Yes, everyone, please find the value.
per in decimal place or a mixed one.
Yeah, just decimal answer. 2 cos
0.51, 0.517.
is next value
6.
6. So 3 significant figure is 5.8. This is the gradient at the point x is equal to pi divided by 8. Yes, everyone. Any question till here? So this is all about how you are going to take the derivative of trigonometric functions. Now let's see, you have to talk about differentiating e power x and natural log of x. Means we are talking about the differentiation of exponential function and logarithmic functions. So for example, if you have y is equal to e power x, so if you are going to take the derivative is exactly same. The exponential derivative is exactly e power x. There is no difference. But multiply by the derivative of their power that you have. For example, if you have y is equal to e raised to power ax plus b, the standard form. So you are just going to be taking the derivative. So dy by dx, exponential as it is, but multiply by the derivative of their power. Yes, everyone. It is clear?
Yes, mister.
In the same way, if you are just going to be taking the derivative of natural log of x, so the derivative of natural log of x is equal to 1 divided by x. Any value in the log, that will 1 divided by x, into the derivative of value that will be in the log. For example, just a minute. You have y is equal to natural log of some value ax plus b, let's say, and you are just going to be taking the derivative. So that will be dy by dx. The natural log is 1 over ax plus b multiply by the derivative of their value that you have inside it, that is ax plus b. Yes, everyone. It is clear?
Yes, miss.
So these are the two formulas for the for the log and for the exponential. Let's take a question. Right, he says that a curve has an equation y is equal to e power minus 3x plus 2 natural log of x. Find the gradient of the curve at the point where x is equal to 2, giving your answer in the form of a plus b e power x, where a, b, and c are integers to be found. So we have to find the gradient of the curve. So let's see how to take the derivative. dy by dx, d over dx. We are taking e power minus 3x plus 2 natural log of x. Yes, the derivative of exponential, that will be as it is.
E minus, yes, as it is, times derivative of x,
Yes, the
of the
derivative of
power.
minus 3x will be,
Yes,
yes, the
Minus
derivative of
3.
minus
minus
3x
3.
minus 3 plus 2 as it is. Yes, Rahaf Ahmed, the derivative of natural log of x will be equal to
1 over x.
1 over x, the value that you have here. Multiply by derivative of x, that is what we know that. Okay, I'm just going to be get minus 3 e power minus 3x plus 2 over x. So we have to find the gradient at x is equal to 2 at x is equal to 2. We will get that minus 3 e power minus 3 into 2 plus 2 over 2. So minus 3 e power minus 6, 2 over 2, that will become 1. What is the formula I need to be right? Constant plus e value. So it will become 1 minus 3 e power minus 6. Yes, everyone. Any question to here? So we
No.
have a, b, c are integers to be found. So a is 1, a is 1, b is minus 3, and c is
Negative
minus
6.
6. Yes, anyone having a question about how to take the derivative of exponential and logarithmic and trigonometric functions?
No mistake here.
Right. Okay. Next